Okay, so wannan din akwai su line da zan deleting kaman a misali, if I want to import this now, in na bar center lines na, it will look somehow a cikin SketchUp. So it's important for me to take off these lines. So zan deleting nasu. But the opening in, I will make sure I leave space in the opening in. I can just extend these lines, but kagani indication na opening in, I will leave it. I can extend this one. So this is just a way of me actually making my job way more easier. By the time Nagama importing Nashi, it will look better. So all I need to do now is to copy this, some pasting Nashi on a new window. Not pasting Nashi now. Say they want some community can use AutoCAD. So Shima wannan amma mun yi AutoCAD dukan ko AutoCAD din nan yana da amfani ne da a softwares da yawa an zaka amfani da shi dole sai knowledge na AutoCAD is very important. So I will save this now as a DXF file. So DXF 2007. So I will just name it SketchUp class and save. Now saving Nashi, then closing Nashi.
lokacin da na koyi wasu abubuwa bayan na koya
Okay, can we go on now? All right. We'll come to file, nozzle file. I will click on import. So now when the file in now, I must make sure I know where that file is. Very important. The kuma sunan da na bashi. Babu gaskiya.
Wannan nashi ba zai yi zama daya da nawa. Wannan nashi icon sun ba za su zama daya ba, shi ya sai ta yi shi. Kai da ka dauko ka kakkawo ne.
Ba damuwa, I will show you.
I do business.
All right, let's start from there. If you then can right clicking akan wannan wurin, this place that look like an ash color, if you right click a saman shi, you see the list. Za ku ga zai kawo muku list. I think we should be going together, man. It's very important. wannan file din ma ya za mu yi ne ba ku ma kawai so that let's be going together kawai. Da labon flash ne da na editing can so that zai zo mana da ka ce? Okay. So you will see Sketchup class.
Okay.
Sunan file din kenan Sketchup
class. Sketchup wannan yana tambaya. Shi ana using da shi ne rendering?
Ba rendering software is a 3D software. Akwai rendering software, akwai special softwares for rendering da man. Kaman su
Athletic version.
kawai za ka sashi a saman desktop naka. Sanusa. Sanusa. What is it? Yes. Okay, well done, sir. Sanusa, ya giza. Well done, sir. Lafiya mun gode Allah. Sanusa. Thank you, sir. Namu yana kan desktop kenan go. I think everybody has his own on his desktop also. Now, what you do to bring out wayannan tools nan, if you right click at someone nan haka, duk wanda ka clicking yanzu. Okay, let's just go in this order. Duk wanda ka clicking zaka gani, it will come up. If you click this one, construction, you see okay, I should take it from the beginning. Okay, so one SketchUp software is for architectural designs. So drawing, we are going to import it from AutoCAD. So what I was saying, she SketchUp software. If you are importing your drawing, is good. Actually, drawing nka wannan dusu center lines the sauransu ka cleaning din shi, so that everything looks very clean. For example, if we are to exactly, sir. So if we are to, let me see if I can get something very simple to use and demonstrate. One drawing that I'm not closing nashi. So but okay, let me just highlight this, bring it out. So for example, if I'm to import one drawing, I need to clean up do two dimensions, center lines. I can just leave one areas not opening, I can just leave them. Come on, one multiple lines thing is not going to be needed. I can just leave these two lines. So that's basically all I need to do, so that it will look very clean. Not important niche. It will be easier for me to extrude it. I can she SketchUp. So that's basically what we did. So we already have a file. There's a desktop on everybody's system that is looking already very clean. Kawai very simple plan ne, kawai shops ne guda uku. So we will use that just to demonstrate the software. Then from there we can go into more advanced tools. Yes, sir. So that's basically what we did before now coming here. So when you come to the interface, are we together, please? When we come to the interface like this, you click. Are we not getting the same thing?
So together?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay. Now let's go together. It's very important. When you right click on top of this place that look like ash, you right click, you will see all the tool sets here. The gasuna, the construction, one that is checked is telling you Chewa is already in the window kana. The one that is Gani, there is no any mark on it. She one is not on the window already. So do one na clicking here, then you can see it's coming up. You can see. If I right click again, dynamic components, you can see dynamic components. If I right click again, you can see edit. These are the. If I click on getting started, you can see. So, however, sometimes there is some level of repetition at some of the tools. So you may not need to have all of them. So sometimes it's important you close some of them. One is not going to be, because I already have them here. So it's better I just close it so that I will have a larger screen. Akwai wanda may not be useful for me on this particular design, so it's better I keep them aside for now. Sannan Sketchup yana da su plugins, so call them extensions that you can add to Sketchup. Kaman wannan 1001 bit tools now, you cannot find it in your own because it's a plugin extension ne wanda sai an samu ku kafin it can come up in. So Sketchup yana da components da yawa that can make your work 10 times faster than using Revit. Kuma yana da extensions that can make your work way more faster than using Revit or using ArchiCAD. So it's very popular in the north when it comes to maybe northwest, so say. So SketchUp is popular in the north more. Revit is more popular in southwest. Say ArchiCAD is more popular in south and southeast. So abun kaman an raba ne. Amma SketchUp is very popular. If you come to Kaduna, a lot of architects use more of SketchUp. Yes, they use more of SketchUp, and it's way more faster than using Revit. Yes. So if you have all of this now on your screen, please let me know. But if you don't have that, we can go back through that process all over again. Now, if we are good to go, all we need to do is to come to File. So let's go together. It's very important, please. Nadanna A, Udanna A. Let's go like through it so that we can be able to carry everybody along. Or if you want me to give you an overview first, fine. We should go together, have you? So fine. We'll go to File. When you come to File, you click on Import. When you click on Import, wannan file in da ya sa muku a system, naku yana kan desktop ne. But mine, nawa kuma na saving din shi a file din nan called DWG. Which is this SketchUp class. That's what I saved it as. So now if you check, the file type is DXF but DWG bunny. That was when I was saving it from the AutoCAD. I saved it as a DXF file, not DWG. Inka saving this as DWG, SketchUp will not be able to recognize it. And many other softwares that I realized DXF recognize it when you are trying to import a file. So if I select this file, I will click on Import and I will close. Once I close, Zaku Genshi Haka. Is everybody having his own like this? Yes. Okay, good. Now let's go to the tools. These tools, each of these tools, yana the multiple functions. So SketchUp buy the tools there are common to Revit. Tools nishi are very small, but with one tool you can achieve 3, 4, 5 things. So if you check this one, which is an orbit, it allows you to actually go round your particular model. So you can go round the model. You are not rotating the model. You are only going around the model. It's different from when you rotate an object. So the bunny one orbit ne, as the name implies, orbit. So you are just going round that object. So now it has another one called the line. So if you click on line, you can use line to achieve so many things. Sheet ma from this line, you can use it to achieve your normal drawing as SketchUp ma, baseka ma importing ba. Even if you don't import, you can achieve your this thing with line. So now yana the one that is called move. One move then you can use it to move an object. You can also use it to copy an object. So amisali in clicking move then if I hold on control and I release, you can see it has copied. If I click, hold on control, it will copy. Fine. Sannan yana da wannan tools din. So I'm going to use this to demonstrate now. It's a very simple software. Bai da wahala. If I highlight this whole drawing now for Amasali and I click on this one called move, I will hold on control, I will drag and I will release the control and I can drop this plan anywhere. So I have just copied this plan. So what if I don't hold on control Amasali and I click on this, now highlighting, I can move it. So you see one tool is doing two functions at the same time. So the second one, you have to hold on control to be able to copy. For me to copy, I will hold on control. The moment I reach control in a moving, if I hover my mouse, I will release the control. So one thing is very tricky. Maybe we should try it together now. Because one tool is tricky. If you don't get it, you have issues. So let's highlight together now. Highlight. Okay, when you want to cancel in Yana Kinyi, you see this one that looks like an arrow pointing up. Just click on it. It will undo any other object that is selected. So when you highlight, hold on control. Take a click in the particular point that you want to copy from or move from. So if I want to copy from, you can see endpoint. So if this is my endpoint, I can move. But if I hold on control, I'm sorry, in control, san sake shi. In ka rike control, sai ka sake. Don't hold the control and hold. You have to release it. In ka sake, it will copy it. Are we all getting it right? Okay, I take it again. Siyasa na ce wannan wurin is very tricky. You highlight the object. When you highlight, you click on this move. Then you hold control. Then pick wannan point da kake so. In ka picking, sai ka releasing control din. Release the control and keep moving your mouse to any position da kake so. Yayi go? Yawwa. Wannan wurin is tricky ai. Then you can move it to anywhere and drop. So but when you import your drawing, another very important thing you must take note kuma as Sketchup shine in ka importing drawing ɗinka, always measure to confirm cewa abinda kake amfani da shi anan is the same thing with what you have in your AutoCAD. So the major reference I always use is wall. Tunda na san thickness na wall dina, I'm using 230 thickness of wall, which is 9 inches block here number. Wasu suna using 225. 225. Wasu 230. But 230 is more common. So if I use this now and I click here, if you check the length, zaka gani 5,842. Kunga is not on scale here number. Only the wall is 5,842.
What are you going to click before going to the scale?
Measure tool. Zaka gani tool din nan kaman tape a sama. Wannan tape din. So what you do, maybe you should arrange your own exactly in an arranging now.
Clicking toolbar section, same is selecting na abun da kai ko
Okay. What you do, cross check now. Check camera is on. Check kuduba by the right hand corner of my screen. You can see camera is on. Construction is on. Getting started is on. Location is on. Measurement is on. Please cross check. Sekuma section is on. some of them ma wanda nawa din that are on ma ba wai za mu amfani da su bane. Amma dai kawai in order for us, for the purpose of this class, let's just do it exactly as the way mine is. So you see shadow, you see view, and then you see warehouse. If you are not using mouse, zakai wala ne da shi. Zakai wala, but you won't get the results. So everything, we are together now, what?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Then let's measure our wall. Just click on one tip, then you click the first point and click the second point. So it will tell you at the left bottom corner of your screen, Zakagan length. Now you can see my cursor. So you see the value. I don't know your own, but my own is showing 5,842.
Our own shows the length without the measurement.
Ya kamata ya nuna ma size nan. Ka minimizing screen naka. Screen din ne. Minimize your screen properly to show. Yawa. So you see the measurement. That means wannan wall din kade ya fi dakunan mutane da yawa. So it's not correct. So we have to rescale it. So we have to rescale it. So what you do, click on the Guinea mark about there. If you click, it's like one single object about there. All of them, no, just click, right click, just left click. You see, it's like an entire, it's like one object. About there. A block form. So we need to explode it. So Zaka right click, second click in explode. Ya explode. Wuta ya dauki. Ka ce? Haka yana inches? Aka closing ka dawo millimeter. Ba ka kai wala da shi. Hello? Hello? Oh, no, no, flash.
Millimeters square. Millimeters square.
Calculate millimeters. Sai ka import it. Oga ka amfani da naka hakan ma. Ka amfani da shi a hakan. Oh, shine wannan kuke amfani. Nagode boss. Okay. Mun ka sani wallahi. Na ji maka corona ya drive.
I don't know coordinator mobile. I don't know what
Ba damuwa. Sace totan ma yayi ba dai. Mawutan ya dawo ma ba. Okay. Kace? Ka san sai block ai.
Ka taba line kar da mu mouse na wurin sai kai right click. Shine zai kawo explode daga kayan motsi da shi zai kawo auto ga kenan. Auto ga ne ka gama idan kana so ka dinga editing sai kai highlight kai exploding nasu.
Yawwa.
Kowa
ya zama yawwa, exactly. So we are together, ba?
Yes, sir.
So let's all explode our own. ai kai za ka yi wahala da nakan nan da ba masu nan ka manta da shi ne wai ai sai mun fara asalin ba mu ma fara asalin aikin ba mun fara asalin ma lokacin ne za ka yi asalin wahala ai sai da masu so in muka exploding ba za mu koma mu doka wannan tape din click on that tape not recording. Click on that tip. When you click one side, but this time around, nka clicking tape nka clicking the second side. Ka duba naka, kaga nawa is showing click to place guide or enter distance. So, ka karanta naka din naka may be different.
Please come again. After exploding, so we should go back to tape.
You click tape. Wannan tape din. In ka clicking nashi, sai ka clicking one side of the wall, ka clicking the second side. In ka clicking.
Daga wanda ya zuwa wanda.
Me ya rubuta naka? Aside. Okay, what you do now? Click on control din nan. Click on control. Zaka ga information din zai canza. Turancin zai canza. While the measurement is still there. Yawa. It should tell you measure. To measure. Yawa. Yawa. To go back and measure again. While nka wannan karka clicking kawai ka jashi kawai kusa da wannan din nka clicking sai ka typing 230 230 it will bring out this for you ya kawo bai kawo go let's take it again, no problem. In ka clicking nan, in ka clicking second part din, check what is written there. Rubutu din ba measurement din ba, what is it saying?
Click to place guide or enter distance.
Sai ka clicking control, zai canja information din, zai ce click an item.
Click an item to measure.
Yawwa, sai ka typing 230. Sai ka clicking enter. Ba damuwa za mu samu shi. Alright, I will take it again. Click, then click 230. When you click the first part, in ka click the first one din, ka holding control ya canja, kar ka clicking the second one.
We should just click and drag.
Make sure the information is showing click an item to measure.
Yes.
Kapun ka clicking second part din. I will take it again. Dala, let's go together. This place is tricky. Yawa, well, let's go together. First step, click on tape. Mun click in tape. Click the first point. Don't click the second point yet. Check what is written there, Akasa.
Click to place guide or enter distance.
Then click control. When clicking control, it will show you click an item to measure distance. Then you click the second part. When clicking the second part, no? Say we enter 230. Say we press in enter. Nakuwa yakao? Yawa.
You want to decide to
Now. No, za mu iya dawowa kuma mu sake. It's okay. So then we click yes. In ka clicking yes, za ga ginin zai canza. Size din zai dawo karimi. Za a gan shi dan karami a gefe. wannan manya din ba su da amfani, delete them. Shine very small. Kusa da wannan kusa da Suleiman nan da ya siya a daidai wurin. To ya rescaling ne ai. So now if you click on that tape now, click the first point, then click the second point. Za ku gan size din 230. 230. Yayi? Na ku ba za ku wala ne. Allah yi. Yawa. So what you do now, measure it ka gani ko 230 din ne. Ya ba di 230 ba. To mun koma AutoCAD ma za ku gan size din na block din ma a can shi ma 230 ne. So I always use block for me to be able to rescale my drawing back to the actual size na ginin. So akwai time that if you are lucky in ka importing za ga zai maintaining skill din. Amma in most cases sai ka dawo ka rescaling din shi haka.
Okay.
All right.
Yanzu mu zai goge son.
Goge manya-manyan nan da suke gefe. They are not on scale. All right. So let's click on wannan da yana nan kaman pencil din nan da ke saman nan. Okay. Kace? No, za ka yi goge shi, za ka yi goge shi. Kawai ka selecting nashi ka delete.
Za ku yi ba kuma ne, shi yake duba mu.
All right. Mun duba sama, you will see a tool like a pencil shima. Kun ga shi pencil din nan? If you click on that pencil, you can, however you want, just trace. Zaka gani zai hashing kusan duk inda ya kamata block yake. Ya hashing nawa? Shikenan, very simple. Let me, it doesn't matter. Let's go back to it. Control Z. Karka yi Z da yawa fa, in kai Z da yawa zai koma da kai can. So let's click on that pencil kuma again. Click on this pencil. Ba lalle sai dem nan fa. You can use anywhere. You can use from here. Are you seeing my screen? To this place. Ya zo ba? Fine. So what I will do, I will highlight, kamar inda na nuna muku da zan, highlight, and I will copy it to one side. So zan amfani da shi an jima can mun zo ta sa wurin su ceiling, su roof, su foundation namu. Za mu yi amfani da shi an jima. Wannan copy kun manta da shi ba? Bari nuna muku kuma again. It's tricky. In ka highlight first, then click on this one that looks like move. Wannan move din nan. When you click on move, you just bring your hand to inda kake so as your point. Na clicking nan yanzu, zan holding control. San sake. Na rike control zan sake shi ba. In ka sake za ga zai copy. Kana rike, you release the control.
You say that human figures, camera views or what?
They are not really camera view. Kawai kasan shi wannan reference ne shows you your X, Y, Z. Baya copy? Musake ne? Musake copy din ne? ya aiki kamar naka ba yi yayi oh naji kai shiru ne na sha ko ba yi naka yayi to mu ci gaba yana but don't move, copy it. If you highlight in ka highlighting zaka clicking wannan in ka wannan then you hold on control sai ka sake in ka clicking nan sai ka holding control sai ka sake zaka clicking points din tukuna first okay alright let's pencil din nan zaka doka ka jaye
ba wancan ba
wannan pencil din in ka clicking pencil nan click first point click your second point shikenan it will hash the remaining part for you bai ba zuwa barin gani surface din nan ma is too smooth ba za ka ji daɗin shi ba wannan surface din da kake surface din is too smooth ni abun ma yana
ka saba wani envelope
wannan ga ba yi gaskiya
ta
can yana yi ba kamar naka din baye okay a misali in ka ja layi ya bai kawo ba you can trace round the perimeter na gini din it will come up so just use your pencil please let's pay attention to this place wannan din if it's obstructing you ma za ka iya deleting na shi ba lalle bane so you can trace round the perimeter yayi yanzu
complete
bai kamata ba okay okay we are all here, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. So what you do now is okay, fine. Naka hash thing is not looking like this. Akwedamwa, what you need to do is to reverse the face. Inka clicking, amisali, inka clicking.
Okay, change the ball source.
Okay.
Go ahead.
But I will show you how to bring it back to white. Okay, pardon. In this case, but yeah, I will correct it. What time? Okay. Over. Okay. Okay, you know if you use your mouse, wannan abin da yake kaman ball din nan, You can zoom in and out, ba?
Yes.
Say one that looks like a pad foundation. You can use push and pull. She didn't, but you go get any magic now. If I click this hash, you can see it's following my hand. I can specify a distance, a height.
Looks like extrusion.
Extrude, yes, sir. I will take it again. Control Z. Ngani na kawo hannuna wurin, it will highlight it. Kawai zan ja shi ne kawai ina bin shi. It will follow my hand. So I will specify a height. Are we there?
Yes.
Uh, 3 meters.
Have you specified the height? Yes.
We are together, ba?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Wannan wurin, you see this one is not hashed. Wannan, if we want it to be hashed, we can just trace it with our pencil. Kawai in ka ja line ɗaya zai hashin ma. Ko? But this was the hash you were getting. Wannan hash din you have to reverse the face. In ba haka ba, in ka kai shi rendering software, it will not, you will not see it. Wannan wurin ba zai nuna ba. It will look as if that place is empty. So you have to reverse the face. To reverse your face, you right click and click on reverse face. Kagan zai dawo fari. Eh? Ana be haka na kan be daidai ba. Okay. Okay, it's a good one, man. Let me show you something. Okay. Another very important thing we need to pay attention to. Shine one lines then. Now you see this line. Okay, naka bai ba? Okay. Ya yi jira?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a question. The one is white and the other one is ash. Because you only selected the first one.
If it is hash, reverse the face to white. Reversing face into white. There you go. So, tunda now this place is hash now. I can also extrude this, which is press pull and then. I think Revit yana using extrude ni. You can see I have extruded. The reason why I extrude or press or extrude this one separate is because na so some opening dina in the opening thing yake. This is the opening. I'm supposed to have a door here. So if I want to specify the door height, kunga 1 and 2 in that is like move. This move tool, I told you is for copy, but if I bring it around in the Nike so, kagani color thing ya change as blue. I will hold on control. Just the same thing. Na rike control. Na moving hand na sense control them. If I release the control, if I move my hand, it will follow me. Then I will specify the distance, the length. So I will say 900. Again, yeah, you are.
It's like you have duplicated the object, that portion.
One answer? Duplicate?
Because
One? Line ne kawai na ja, ka gani zai separating mashi automatically.
Okay. I splitting.
Let me control Z.
Splitting.
Ka gani? In ka kopa kawai ma, once line ya shiga zai separating ma. That's what it do. It does. It's okay. They're using line a jar like one pencil click points, 2 points. She can say hashing. Okay. Kamar da shi kasa. Madda shi kasa sai ka reversing face. Kasa. Okay, are we together? Ko in sake dawo wannan wurin. Should I take it again? Yes. Slow and steady wins the race. If you are not viewing it the way you want, you can orbit. Just use orbit. You know orbit, you are not rotating the object. You are just going around the object. But we cannot rotate the object. It's just you going around. Aha. So okay, now if I click on this press pull and I click this one, let me even show you one magic. If I double click, Zedoka previous height, the most previous height, shine Zedoka. So let me demonstrate something. I'm a Sally. A misali wannan height din yana na haka ko ba haka ba. Now if I double click zai doka wannan height din ne ba wannan ba. Okay, you know I took this one down, so that's why it's going down as well. So but let me take this one down and then let me take it up a bit. So if I double click, wannan height da na doka from this point, wannan gefen nan zuwa nan shine ya doka. I don't know if it's making sense or we are confused. Okay, bari dawo da shi. Bai da tools da yawa. With one tool, two tools, you can achieve 5 different things. That's what makes it way more easier. So I will erase it. So let me extrude this back. Nadoka move dinna. I will hold on control. I will come Zanzo around where the line is first. Then hold on control. Send seke control then. Once you hold on control, once you pick the line, you release your control. And then the line will follow you. Are we getting it? Kawa. It's the same way we copied one plan and the last time. We are all getting it?
Yes.
Then we specify the length or the height rather. 900. Then we erase. You erase this. It's important for you to rotate back the buyer din ka cire wannan lines din with erase tool. Ga erase tool nan ai. nan ga erase na ai like your normal eraser software yana da wahala ne okay ha a'a ba wannan zaka delete ba wannan zaka delete okay sai ka deleting wannan layin na saman nan wannan layin na saman shi ai na saman zaka delete ka kullu screen ina can just look at the screen this line you delete this one and this line you delete it okay do we understand up to this point okay number let me go back one anan kuke okay a ginin na kaman baka rescaling ba baka yi scaling ba a sai yasa ba zai taba okay ba zai fita inda namu yake ba dan saboda baka scaling ba baka specifying. All right, maybe we should go back to the floor direct kuma to naga kaman gaba daya we are not moving together, that's the problem. Control Z. You can use your Control Z and come back here. Na bayan za Are we all together?
Yes.
Reversing facing as well, white. Click on those hash areas. Right click. Second click on reverse face. I was clicking by. Clicking hash reverse face. Wanna color one is. Which one is brighter?
One is brighter.
Use the bright one. One is brighter now.
Brighter? So.
Taya mu ci gaba ne? Mu ci gaba? Ba da ma, let's extrude it now. Ina kawo hannuna nan yanzu. Kawai zan daga, ina daga shi I will type. You type the height. in ka typing sai ka pressing enter zai siya ma height din kawai typing height din kawai zai je ma shi abu. Should I take it back? I will, as I'm moving with my hand yanzu ba zan sake ba san typing height din kawai san pressing enter shikenan zai dawo ma shi asalin height din da ka specify. So similarly yanzu tunda this height now is the most previous height da muka extruding, yeah? But kagan this my door area now is not hashed. In order for it to be hashed, zan doka pencil din nan and I will click here, I will click here. But let's say na clicking nan da nan kade ba. Let me take it back because so that you don't get confused. If I click here, ma this zai hash mu. So, but always take note of wannan hash din. You can see this one is looking very dark. I need to reverse the face. In baka reversing ba zaka gani zai baki ya bar wannan is white, the other one is dark. We are all here, ba? Yes. Then I will extrude. Not double clicking kawai ma zai kai ni. Zai kawo ni nan. Because this is the most previous press pull that height, the most previous height. Shine zai adopting. Ko kuma thickness, ko kuma depth. Is it making sense? Okay, fine. Sai mu danna wannan that looks mouse. Wannan move din. If you click on this move, you will click the first line, you hold on control. Others. Okay, sir. Hi, sir. So, if we want to copy this now, remember what? You hold on control, you click Sekasaki. Sekasaki. You release the control. We are not getting it? Huh? Yeah, why are you? So that's basically what we need to do. So you type 900, ba? Musan dalilin da yasa is 900. Lintel height is 2100. So say 900 plus 2100 is 3 meters. So a inda muka samu. So say we're using one that looks like an one kamar normal cleaner mu. This is an eraser. So you erase those lines that you don't want. Erase the lines you don't want. Abun ya dauki. This thing 2022-2021 the Sketchup and this thing I'm yet to understand. One and 10.
10 is
Until 11 10 and 8 ne wancan. This thing here, no. Okay, we are all here, ba?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, similarly, we can do the same thing for the other doors. Okay, let me make it easy. Mun danna wannan press pull din ba? Ba za mu iya extruding wannan ba. Shi ma sai mun doka wannan pencil din. Kawai just draw a line kawai. Ka gani hash din will come. Then you reverse the face, just like what we did last time. Similarly, you can do it for this as well. Just pick a line. Let me use another place. Let me use from here to here, so that kar wani krami cewa haka ne. So I will just reverse the face. Ngani, they are all hashed now. So to press pull, I can just double click. Not double click. I think the most previous one, this is the height. Yes, I won't be able to. But another way, in Zaka press pull in, always bring it around where you want to use as a reference height. Tunda kasan you are bringing it here, this is the height da kake so ka kawo shi. Kawai ka kawo hannunka nan ta wurin reference. This is your reference height. Za ga zai rubuta ma on edge and drop. So yanzu na double clicking wannan din ma, okay, there is a little issue. But if I bring it now, reference to this height, and I will drop. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Fine. Okay. So one, I will just delete one line. Buy the amfani money. I don't need it. I can delete the line. Na chicken say na je na juye shi na deleting na shi. We are all here. We are all here, ba? So one ma, instead of using one copy the ma to this place, I can even highlight one lines din. Kawai shi ma din kawai in copy na shi. Na copy na shi. Kawai in drop in. As simple as ABC. Ga copy din na yi shine move din nan in ka rike control zai copy. Then I will use my erase tool, which is this, ba? Kawai to erase these lines I don't want. So na amfani da orbit nan da ke sama. I can rotate I can just go around the building to see those lines that are behind. When a line da suke bayan nan, it's important you delete them. However you want to manipulate it. true move din nan amma za ka rike control to copy. Zai ma iya zama daidai amma sometimes in ka je rendering ba zai nuna ba, it will look empty, ba zai nuna ba, so you have to reverse it. Are we all here? Ko har yanzu akwai damuwa? Ko in sake duka wannan wurin kuma? I should take it back, abe? Wurin kofan kawai za ka highlighting. Ka reversing face. Ka right clicking sai ka reversing face. Zai dawo fari. Za ka yin shi daya ba. Ni kawai, is this just a faster way of doing it? Sai yasa na je haka. You can do it 1-1. In ka juya ta baya sai ka deleting lines nan da suke baya. Ka deleting line da ke saman nan. Baka samu naka ba? Okay, fine. It's still in order. You can do it manually, ma. Correct. Okay. Mu cire kofan. Ka san da zaka cire kofan? Ta yaya zaka cire? Kai, ashe kaya ba. Yawa, so you rotate it. Let's go together, Allah. Magani? Ka juya screen ɗinka. Control. sai ka sake ka ɗauka shi from the edge, from this edge za ka ɗauka shi. Bai ɗauka ba da ba ka da wasu move ɗin sai ka rike control, sai ka sake, in ka rike ka sake, in ka clicking nan da control din sai ka sake control din immediately. Kaga ya copy ba amma dai ya scatter, ka sake highlighting. Okay. Okay, we are together, ba? All right. You rotate the building like this. In rotating, use this eraser that is here to erase these lines at the back. Ga orbit na. This is orbit. Gashinan kuma nan. Is the same thing. So you can orbit. Once you orbit, you clean up those lines abaya. So it's looking clean now. Then you will use this tool called the press pull. One pull in. If you click on it, okay, pay attention to this place. Shima is very tricky. One wurin in ka rike sai ka move hannunka. In ka move hannunka, you see it's looking like a dash. Kaman the shade din a tan kasa din zaka gan ya dan babbanta da na sama. Kagan ya tafi. Similarly, if I move my hand, you see shading din yana dan canzawa. Kagan ya tafi. Za ka gani shade din ya dan canza. Tura shi kawai za ka yi zai fita. Gani we've created an opening kenan. It's very simple, wa? I should come again. Ctrl Z. Alright. Na clicking push pull in now. You could notice in Zaku Gani, I have been going about just very few numbers of tools. I did not use any tool more than erase, line, pull in the move. Shike number, say orbit, say tape. So everything cover is here. It's very simple. I will click on this press pull, push na clicking nashi. Kawai zan tura wannan bangon har sai na gan ash din ya fara nuna min wannan shading din nan. San sake.
That means you are going beyond the thickness of the wall.
Exactly, sir.
That's what it is.
Can I get it? Oh yeah, just look at it, please. Ka gani? In ka danna wannan push pull din nan. Kawai zaka tura shi ne ka ta turawa sai ka gan ash din ya canza color.
Mouse zaka tura.
Yana canzawa kawai shikenan. Haka yana yi? Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Wannan biyun ba su ba. Biyun nan ba su yi. Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Biyun nan ba su yi ba.
Zaka tura mouse din gaba ne. Push or pull. Push ba? Push or pull ne to. Zaka tura shi ne ga. Sai beyond the text na abuna din. Ai zan nuna maka abuna din. Yanzu nuna maka. Yanzu ka nuna maka.
Yayi na ga yanzu. Yawa. Kun san push pull din nan is somehow tricky gaskiya. Ni ma abin ya ban wahala da nake koyon shi. Yawa. So if you want to create an opening, in ka tura zaka ta turawa ne a sai ka gan color ya canza. Siya ga gani. Kun ga this color is not na fara turawa, you see it to change. I will control Z. Kagani, this color, just pay attention to what is happening. Kagani color ya canza. Yana canzawa ka sake shi. Shikenan kawai. Yawa. To fine. Barin deleting wannan engineer Suleiman da ke nan. So I will delete these lines da suke tsakiya nan da suke ciki. Probably I will just want to use it daga foundation ina ne kawai, just to show German floor din. Sai kuma I can also use it to get my ceiling. Then na so in sa kamar roof ina da sauransu. So I can see yasa na kofa wannan na yi a gefe. That's why I copied it and I kept it by the side. So I can just erase all these lines that are inside. Yes, all the internal lines. Just use your erase and delete them. Ungande duk tools da mu amfani da su ba su wuce biyar ba. Har yanzu we are just going round very few number of tools. So it's not a very complicated software. So by the time ka gama erasing, okay, ba mu gama ba ko? Okay, fine. Kawai ka delete duk kawai yana lines da suke ci. Wannan katon ne ai. Zai affect ya. Ai yanzu zai ma ya ke. Wallahi zai ai yanzu sai dai ka sake yin shi a wannan wuri da layin ya tafi ne. Ya yi daidai. Karka goge masu goge layin za ka iya goge za ka iya bari shi ba zai affect abin da za ka yi ba. Kawai layukan da suke the external walls ne kawai, wannan layin ne kawai will leave. Just go around the perimeter of the building. Kace? Na ku cikin ya biki? Ka reversing face din zuwa white. Okay, to ka leave the brightest one. Wanda is brighter, shi za ka bari. Ka sake reversing din shi. Ba shi haka. So, amma kun gan nawa din bai shading ba ko? For me to make it shaded, I will just draw a straight line along one side. Kaga ya dawo shaded yanzu. It's the same concept da muka yi wurin kofan can. So wannan din I can copy it kuma nan ije a gefe dan shi ma din zai amfani. Wannan din kagan zan kofa shi kawai ije shi a gefe. You know how to copy ba? Sai ka rike control sai ka sake. Yayi ba? Okay. Bari mu jira sauran. I lie kawai za ka ja lie ɗaya kawai from here to here. Okay. Ka deleting babban nan ka yi shi. Highlighting gaba ɗaya za ta yi to copy. Kana selecting one by one ne kawai click from here to this side to highlight. Yawwa. Mu ci gaba ne? Ya yi jiya? Magani ma? In ka reversing baya yi? Bai yi fari ba? Ka juya magani da haka. Just turn the screen, let me see. In bai kawo fari ba, use the brighter one. Wanne ne is brighter? Wancan din is better. Reverse it. Wannan ne za ka use it. Can we proceed? Okay. So, she wannan that is our German floor. Yes, sir. DPC. Yes, sir. Yes, I'm not using. Not using side. So let's assume the DPC height to be, let's say 450, ba? In ka using pool din kawai kana daga kawai sai ka typing value din ka typing shi kenan. No, we are raising the building ne kawai height, the building ne kawai ake daga height din zuwa we are just raising the building ne kawai to 450 height.
450.
We can use any value. No, but thickness na floor bani mama. Kawai, just like this building now, you climb some steps before reaching here. That's basically what I'm doing here. Exactly. So we are just raising the building above. So you can just highlight the building, whether move or copy. But I always like to copy and leave the original one. Say ka ije shi a sama. Either you move or you copy. But me, I like to copy it. Sometimes and you can even make it a group, man. You can group is come on as a zona. I can make it a group. So there's a mark on one particular block. I can group it like one single block.
I hope it has not compromised the height of the opening.
No. This one, the height is still okay.
Is it still 2.1?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is.
Copy item is on top.
It's on top. Really affected. Okay, fine. So one and you can give it a thickness, maybe 10 mm thickness. Same as for ceiling. So one and shi ma kamar ni yanzu I like to copy it ne kawai yi je shi a gefe shi ma sai amfani da guda daya. Okay, mu ce 10. Orbit it first. In ka juye shi haka, it will be easier for you to extrude. I think my own. akwai 10 na zuwa yanzu 10 ne shiga ka ce me? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, ka doka ka sa sama ne? Hold on first, let me show you the right way to do it. Let me show you. You highlight like this. In ka highlighting, you pick from the bottom, but top bar.
Okay.
Ba ka ba zai shiga block din. Look at the bottom. Just pick a reference point. Wannan point din that you are picking, you can drop it. You know that this is where I want to drop it. Lines is because of the thickness. Offset? Yeah, not offset.
I think then you better offset it by 230. Because I see it inside the block work.
Inside the block.
Yeah, you can offset. You are right.
Amakasan does give a real time.
You are right, sir. Amma mun sa fascia yanzu ma gaba daya zai boye shi. You won't see it. You won't see it. Mun sa concrete fascia yanzu, you won't see it. You won't see this one kuma. Sai dai in ka shiga ginin ne zaka gan shi. Yawwa.
Before you pick it down,
in real life, amma in a design ne, it will stress you ka fara cincirewa. Ka daga wani 450, ka daga another one 10 mm. Din kawai za ka highlight wannan ka highlight na shi ka sa shi sama kawai ka copy ko kuma ka mu ka ja su sun yi kusa da juna zai ma copy na shi. Ka sa shi a saman shi ba kawai a'a ba haka za ka daga ba ka daga shi from kasa, pick it from the ground, not from the top. Pick your point from the ground, point in extreme end da kasa, sai ka sa shi a sama daidai inda ya kamata wancan dansa. Same thing that way. Amma height na sama 10 10 ina za ka yi.
bari mu ɗauke wannan lamba bari mu kwafi
kun gani ba amma shi MD ya gaya mun ai. Amma ya da muna da hoton su kone. Na ina yi. Shafa ba.
Ya fi wancan ko? Ai za ka fi gane wannan fiye da wancan.
Kayan da aka sa. Kayan da aka sa.
Enter. Ai wannan abin naka is not on scale. Sai sa yana yi baya scale ne kawai. Ai ba abin da zan yi sai dai an fara afresh. Baya scale ne. Ka gane kawai ka using range by eye kawai. Ka daga shi a inda kana jin kawai ya kai wannan. 10 mm. Ka gane drawing din baya scale na.
sai an dauke shi da kai shi
Kawo shi saman nan.
shi zan yi picking shi ma from bottom ne ko
From bottom na shi sai ka sa a saman nan. To za mu iya ci gaba? Comment? Cikin kasa shi kenan sai ka kai shi can saman wancan. Za ka ta zoomin ne sai ka gan shi kuma yana ta can kuma yana ta nan ne.
wanda bari ya kowa ya shi ba mu wanda zai kawo kankaca
Je shi tukuna to ka using mouse din ka je gefe can ka ga shi. Suna nan gefen ne ma.
ga shi yana yawa
Ba mu ci gaba? Okay. So for me to draw mu ci gaba? I think facial is 600 abi, but ni zan using 450. So wannan kawai za mu designing facial ne. So you can design it however you want. Duk inda ka fitar da shi haka zai fita ma. So me pay attention to these lines. Kaga wannan line din green goes this way, red comes this way, blue goes up. So sometimes it may not look like what you are drawing is making sense, but if the color is right, just continue. That means it's correct. So if I want to go this way, it's supposed to be red. If I'm supposed to come up or down, it's supposed to be blue. So if I draw, you can see red, but it may not really look much sense. Kama is going along in the Akamata. But it's correct.
I would take the facial on the line.
No, pick it from here. ka doka shi daga nan but you can use any of the corner ba lalle sai nan ba, use any of the corner of the building. Sai ka je height din, sai ka je ni design, based on the design I want to do now, I will go 50, I will come 50 shi ma nan, zan zo haka shi ma 50, zan zo haka 50, sai in ja shi kasa 50. 50-50. You are at liberty to do your own. Sannan zan zo kasa haka shi ma height nan, this depth is supposed to be 600 ba? Am I right, sir? 450 ba? So by me I will go 450. This place I will go 450. 450. In ka zo 450. $450, 50-50 ne wannan. It's not correct. It's not correct. Kwallo abin da nake. Ka ce? Distance? From here kawai na je distance 450. I came down 450. Sai na je layi haka, horizontal 50, vertical 50, horizontal 50, like that. Yeah, baka samu. Siyasa na ce make reference to these lines. Make sure it may not look like it's making sense. Among color din kagan yana baka jani. Just know you are doing the right thing. Kagani, if you are going in this direction, is red. If you are going up or down, it should be blue. Sama Kokasa is blue. It should be red or blue now. See, Nazohaka, I will type 450. Nkazo kasa ko sama blue ni. It has to be blue. You type 450.
XYZ. XYZ. If you are going up, you are going along the Z line. If you are going on, you are going to use X and Y. That's what it is. And the axes are given at the extreme end in left hand.
Ko Nkara Fesha in name from the beginning? Should I take it to the beginning? Okay. Okay. Okay, aka kake so na haka din ba damuwa. You can use it. Eh? To amma heightin nan kaman bai kai 450 ba. Eh. To fine. Inda ya kai shi kenan. So you can see the red. Amma it's looking like it's not correct, but it's correct for as long as it's red. Sannan na kai shi sama, kagan color is changing to blue. That means I'm on the right track. 50. It keeps track of previous measurement da kai. Ba sai ma na dinga typing ba ma. Then I'll introduce Kate? Gashinan na. Should I take it again? Huh? So, clicking sama nan. Akwai tool that is called Follow Me. Although, common tool in my baya nan sama. But we know how to bring it back. We'll come here and right click. Then we'll bring it. Follow Me. Baya nan. Kawai ka je wannan large tool set nan. Nka clicking. Zai kawo ma all the necessary tools ma. Kawai ka zo ka right clicking saman nan. You see large tool set. In ka right clicking saman nan. Check this large tool set. Ka kawo shi? Mun kawo shi ba? You know this place has been highlighted already. So na clicking Follow Me yanzu. Na clicking nan.
Please come again.
Okay. Huh? Okay. Can I cough number? Okay. Ando kauta. Kama ako utam. Bari abin ya kawo. Kace? Ku ci gaba? Bai kawo wai. Ke simple ne? To. kina gana yanzu machine haka ya yi jiya ya okay already dama ka iya ako si Sketchup okay kaya Sketchup kaya okay ga wannan ma fa ya iya Sketchup yawa amma mun gane shi zuwa nan. Alright, this is the arc tool. Ga wannan tool din is for arc. Gashi nan sama. In ka clicking nashi yanzu. This arc now akwai ka gani, this is 2-point arc. Akwai 3-point arc. Wannan 2-point arc din you click 2 points ne. Then you take your mouse and it follows you. It follows you, but we're not specifying when you radius bunny. Haka? Okay. Now ku yayi ba? To sai mu clicking nan sama. Right, okay. We are using one tool called follow me. We want it to follow this entire region haka. So zai bi ne haka, part din zai bi. It will follow the part ne. Eh? Ba gan shi ba? Okay, baka dora bane na. Wadon sa. Thank you, sir. Sir.
Yes.
The reason why I'm clicking one on top number, I want it to follow this part ni. Na so ye be along this part ni. So inda nike so ye be si yasa na clicking saman nan. So na clicking saman nan yanzu. San clicking wannan tool din called follow me. Ya je mana. Ai kawai design naka ne. I can you I dama. You can do in ka selecting someone nan sai ka clicking follow me. If we click on follow me now, so we will now ask this one now to follow wannan part din. So ina clicking nan yanzu za ka gani facial din zai fita. Ga follow me nan gashi nan naka baya nuna, just right click and then sama. Please just look at my screen. If you click this top here, right click a sama, zaka gan wannan called large tool set. Click on large tool set, it will come up. Then you can just zai bi shi ma by itself ba wai shi zai bi ba kai ne zaka zagaya da shi ba naka bai ba sai ne din zaka selecting ba wai layi ba fa clicking abin da ka ji haɗin nan shi za ka clicking yau ya ejidiyan na ka ya fito da kyau ba a ya ce ba
amma ya sani nasa
okay fine then let's draw our roof in za mu ja roof yanzu kawai za mu iya sai mu ja just look for the center of this line in ka kai center din ma zai nuna ma midpoint za ga color din will change agani this is the midpoint zai giya ma just pick your line, this is your pencil, just keep moving it along that line zai nuna ma in ka kai midpoint din it will tell you then you take your line up ka gani ya nuna ma blue that means you are vertical kenan ba so make sure the line is blue. Sometimes za a gani yana tafiya haka za a gan kamar green za a gan kamar is correct. It's not correct. It depends on in the car orbiting. If you're building the way you are facing it, it may look like it's straight amma it's not a straight line. Amma in ya nuna ma blue that means it's straight.
Is there any specific height you are going to?
Let's use height of 3000. Then you press enter. So we are going to draw like a rectangle ne. Kawai gani kallo shi a can screen din. You are seeing what? Like a rectangle like this. A triangle rather. Triangle. You see it, what? So we have a triangle, ba? I should take it again. Should I start again? Not deleting line. Then you delete the line in the middle. Use your erase to delete it. When you erase him, ba? So then you click now, sama. Click this top now. Have you clicked this top? Unka clicking top number, sai ka clicking follow me din nan ba, sai ka clicking nan. Shikenan zai dawo ma roof ɗinka. Hold on, we will correct it. Za mu correct it. Bai zo haka ba? Ba damuwa. Ba damuwa, leave it as it is. Okay, let me take it again. Please, I am taking it back again. Let's pay attention. But in deleting one line, I pick this pencil, I will go along this part, once you had midpoint, I will stop there. Then I will draw this line up. Since specifying height, the Nike so roof thing. So I want the roof to be 3 meters. Then I will draw a triangle. I'll pick here Shima. Cow extreme end number. Send dropping. Send chiri one line the Kisekia. I don't want it. Say I will now click here. You understand? I will just click here, Niva. Then I will click this follow me tool. Send clicking now. Shikena. irrespective of how the shape of your roof is, zai fitar ma da shi kuma ya shape din yake. Ba damuwa, just don't worry, we'll correct it. The way it is like this now, ko kagan building din nan, double click on it 3 times. Click on it 3 times rather. 1, 2, 3. Click on it. 1, 2, 3. Nka clicking 1, 2, 3. Then you right click. Then you come to interface with model. Interface. Sai ka zo with model. Sai ka clicking. So you can delete those extra girgin da ya fitan nan.
Unnecessary wings.
Yawwa. Ka gani ya fita kamar normal roof yanzu.
Okay, yeah.
But my question is, like the height of the king was is fine. If it's not adequate, but then it's not adequate, kawai garbage out da duk abin da ka bashi.
Ai da abin da ka bashi ne sa. Da kaman ma engineering software ne shine zai yana baka warning. Kasan engineering will deal with a lot of safety da sauransu. In engineering ne zai baka warning. Ba wani warning, kawai da abin da ka bashi sa zai baka. Yes sir.
Is this the only look you can do here or you can look at something else?
Bari nuna ma wani abu. Bari ka gani. However this thing is, koma ya shape din yake. Let's say we have this. This comes like this. Okay, let me use. Okay, sorry, ban daga shi. So let me raise it 3 meters. Okay, let me just leave it like this.
This is your comfort zone. Why?
I'm not sure if you say chicken. Yes, I was the dish. Yeah. What she never got quite a I put in me.
So you go to the I will get died one. Thank you.
Yeah, you go to the
Yeah, hold on. I will to get Is that following me? Midpoint.
So I will just click on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then I will interface with model chicken. So the other extra lines cover deleting this. Yan up tower. So irrespective of how the shape of your roof will come, color is the same thing. Yes. So this is it.
I keep posing a 3 meter again.
One determining point in the clicking some of the machine is on 3 meters. So machine was about others.
So what's the
you look at it.
Then it's coming how we know that this is the height.
I'm going to the I
Sir?
Sorry.
No, but that roof truss number. But when roof truss, the roof truss will only show in the cross section. Cross section.
And it will still specify you give you all the measurements.
No, one cross section is that.
You have to do it.
One cross section you can.
Drafting one is purposely for modeling. So when you say modeling, does it mean that you don't have those details in modeling? You don't have those details in modeling. You don't have that. So that's why the professional people come in.
Yes.
When you come to do the...
No, when the cross section that we get Naturally, I want that I specify height like it was for lines, why you just give them for line is
yes.
But the one that they specifying all the group members the spacing that length na corner group member and specifying.
Yes.
It will give you the height of the keyboards. They specify struts that want to do heights now, heights now, arm abrapta everything duka za ka
ya wancan software da yaro ne zai mana
yawwa
za ka yi amfani da shi na
exactly yes
you know, Plan Swift is for quantity surveyors. It's for QS.
Plan Swift is not conscious. It's not conscious of structural.
No.
Plan Swift is not. It's not conscious of the structural integrity.
So
you have a quantity. Then
from one interface, I use one network. Ba mu ganin structural integrity. We are modeling it. This is how you want the building to be. So now we have a stress, the mother's block, to make buy.
So when are you going to do that?
I put interface like from Revit.
So the essence of one software is for presentation, for presentation purpose.
I see.
So kuma it can automatically generate into elevations naka.
Yes.
Kama inda wannan yake yanzu, I can use this camera now and change this to parallel projection. Na chanja to parallel projection. Any view da nike so yanzu zai bani.
Right.
So if I come to front,
Yes.
this is the elevation.
Right.
So if I come to back,
Yes.
zai bani bayan shima.
Right.
So if I come to, and I can export it.
Right.
Yes, I can export it as it is like this. Na export, zan iya exporting in kai shi AutoCAD ma, arranging din su, printing.
I see.
Say that it's not very good with floor plan. So it's good. It's good you do your floor plan from cross section. You can take a cross section, but dole you must add more details manually.
Yes.
So that's why the software is very good for presentation drawings. When you want to go for presentation, killer client want to have a visual look now how the building is going to look in real life. Nakagama.
I see.
So we've gone forward. So I don't know. We check about home and see it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is the right from the junction to stop.
Okay.
If you want to continue, I will take this white chair home. You have a meeting at night. I'm going meeting at
Say four.
okay, she phone
Okay.
So let's be praying with them. We'll come back immediately.
My son left.
We send out, we check our daughter.
So by quarter after 2.
But 2:30,
Well done. Mr. Osman, you are doing very well.
Thank you, sir.
Just when you talked about 30 minutes ago, but honestly, I think a lot.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sure Suleiman
As Suleiman is now, is now.
Very powerful.
So some break will be 2:30.
Yes. Okay. Madam. Jira wancan architect ɗin ba.
Su suna da wani mai ci za su sha. Yi! Ya zo ba? Ya ɗauki sistem na shi da ne.
Dole mu jira su go?
Suna zaune a nan ne ba. Doctor! Ku shigo mana, ko ake jira ba?
Mana za ka yi? Ha? Haka ya zama.
Nan da gebel ne. Ka gani to rufin yana ta ne a nan cikin da ke shi bel biya yi.
Wai mai wai design wai? Ai koma ya kake so ka designing abin naka.
Kawai yanzu gar kawai ka ja daya sai ka yi follow me kawai.
Ka gama gane ba.
Ka gane.
Sai daya kawai ka yi follow me duk zai zagaye wasu. Yawwa ni follow me na sake nuna mai yadda ake.
Bai da wahala.
Shi ne za ka rike control ko?
Follow me eh?
Ko shi
ba za ka
option ne za ka da clicking zai nuna maka. Copy ne wanda za ka rike control.
kawai ai follow me kai ya za mu yi wannan abin ne yanzu ma
In zai bata a lamarin.
na zuwa let me find a way to demonstrate it. kawai in ka ja wannan abin naka ka ja layinka kawai ai sai ka ja zanen shape din da kake son abin ba lalle 50 ba standard bane ba standard bane ni dai kawai I just like to use it like this. kai arc din naka za ka ma ya jan shi straight ma ba lallai sai arc ba kawai shape din da kake so a yi ka ja shi haka ma zai yi ka sa wannan kawai sai ka clicking follow me kafin follow me din sai ka clicking surface ne da kake son abin ya bi yawwa sai ka click follow me ga follow me nan gashi nan sai ka click before you click the follow me sai ka selecting surface part da kake son abin ya bi sai ka click follow me kaga ya zo haka za ka yi shi Weme? Shayin buzu ba? Yau mana ba ne mana? Ba jinja ba ne?
Yes.
To mu je can to. Sanusi.
Onuma.
Yes.
Which are Onuma?
Hey. Go. Oh wow. An jira sauran ku? An mu jira sauran ba?
No, so that's good.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. So we have been able to erect our building to look like this. The next thing we can do is to fix our doors. Although by window and bed. Window, how to fix your door and windows are literally the same. If you can fix your door, you will be able to fix your window. So she one SketchUp then, if you have all the necessary components, that's what makes it way more easier. and way more faster if you have the necessary components. Da kuma su akwai su extensions in kana da shi, it makes your work 10 times faster than normal. Yes, sir. So wannan all door type nan, I don't know ko zan kofa ne so da kowa ya samu a system din shi yanzu mu kofa yanzu ba, so that we can learn how to literally just copy and paste kawai za mu dinga yi. Copy paste, very simple. It's as simple as ABC. It's a file. Ko za ka ba mu wannan flash din. Yana da shi mana, amma ba kana maganin component ba. Akwai, amma I don't use it. I don't use it. Akwai already component that you can, if you have good component outside that you can pick from. You are looking way more realistic than the one you can copy from this thing. Kowane ai crash program ne, za mu find a way to make the.
But still you can be able to download from the internet.
There's no need now. Why are you downloading when I already have it?
No, misali a cikin kana international specific cover. Ko kuma ba ka da shi.
That's true. You can download it. Not everybody knows how to manipulate internet to get what he's looking for. But you can download it if you are good with sourcing out for informations online.
You can just go to 3D warehouse. You can just see all of Kony kind of cover for window company. Am specifically 3D warehouse?
That's right. You are correct. You can download it if you can. The one. That's it.
Downloading immediately. Sketchup.
No, it's true. Kawai baya folder, zaka gan doors.
Door all time. Sun ga shi.
Kawai ka sa shi a desktop ɗinka.
Okay.
So we can download just like he rightly said. I think I have a lot of components that we can use. So let's just put it on our desktop. In ka sa desktop ɗinka sai ka bude shi. Amma kuma you can manually create it ba. Amma kai waga za ka shiga creating kofa ne ko wanda zane da za ka yi za ka shiga creating kofa ne. Kawai wahala za ka ba kanka.
From first principle then.
It will take us a longer time.
Tunda
Akwai already pre-existing one that you can. a ce?
shiga store ne.
Kawai za ka je ka zaba wanda kake so. Kawai ga sunan nan har windows suna nan. Different types of windows, different types of doors. Kana da wayar wannan?
Ni normally ina zuwa internet kowane kalan kofa.
Kana so.
Da location kuma yi. Misali kofofin yanzu na Najeriya da kaje za ka same su duka kalan su. Sai ka dauka wanda kake so.
Online kawai ba?
Muna warehouse.
A warehouse. Kawai za ka
Online ne?
Online ba?
Warehouse. Yanzu ya samu wasu rolin cinna a yi har kafa su a yi sami.
You are right.
But it can only be access through Sketchup.
Yes, it's possible. You just go to the warehouse, click on any kind of door you like, so you can import it to Sketchup.
Okay. Kawai sai mu bude shi. You just open it. You find so many types of doors out there. Kawai just double click on that file there. You put some on our desktop. It will open and you will see so many samples now cover the windows. Okay. So mu ci gaba ne? Okay. Fine. Then we can just pick a door for the purpose of, but just like he has suggested, in kaji online ma you can find variety na kofofi based on whatever the client is specifying. You understand? But for the kace? Kaga wanda za ka sa ba? To kofan ne ma nake nema. No, you can rescale it. No matter how it is, you can rescale it. Kuma ya yazo za ka yi rescale it shi. So let's just say we are going with this, for example. So we'll double. You can just use, if you click on it, just hold on Control C. Control C to copy. So unka copy, sai ka dawo nan. Kawai, come to your, are you seeing my screen? Kawai, this is the window na Copa. This is the door now here. Once you Control C, that's copy. When you copy, are you seeing my cursor? Then you come to the other Sketchup file in the kake zananka. Sai ka bude shi. In ka bude shi nan, sai ka Control V to paste ba? Shikenan. We'll rescale it. So in ka clicking, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Just normal Microsoft Word. Za ka iya copying wani. Za ka iya deleting wanda ka paste ma. You can delete it. Muchikawa? Okay. When you click on the door, zaka iya ka kawo kofan kawai in ka clicking, you can just move the door or copy the door. Kawai copy. You can see how I'm zooming mine and pick the particular edge da kake so. You pick from this. However, you can pick from here if you want. Endpoint. So in na kawo shi nan a misali zan iya zo in dropping na shi a daidan nan. Kun ga yayi balance a nan gefe. It's just for me to rescale it from this other end and the down so that zai fit in size na kofa. And the thickness of the dormer, you can reduce it. Are we there?
Yes.
Okay. I can click on scale. I can now click in scale. Kagani is giving me 3 points and then sama. 3 points and then sama. What that means is that I can scale it from any of these points. Is it making sense?
Yes.
We are there, ba?
Yes, we're there.
So, I can scale it like this. I can as well move it like this. From the bottom, Shima Haka, I can move it. Should I take it again? Yes. Okay. Control Z. Zan madda kofa inda yake. I'd say a prophet is not respected in his home. Kinda. So, should I take it again?
No, we're here.
No? Kurga ku fitting cover? So let me control Y. Okay, fine. Fine. Now we can copy this same size of door to the other openings. Kawe.
To move.
Copy ba. Unka click in nashi yanzu. Unka click in wannan. You hold on control. Kawe sai ka drop it also. Shikenan. Okay. Sai kuma wannan roof din. I'm trying to be careful not to go too far. Kar mu zo mu samu damuwan practicing. Okay. Wannan